Spring is in the air, the days are getting longer, and soon your taxes will be due. Don't let tax season ruin the nice weather. I'm going to provide a checklist of items you can do to have a successful tax filing. First, you have to know the tax deadline. The deadline to file your 2023 taxes is Monday, April 15th, 2024. Be sure to mark the date on your calendar and start gathering your tax documents sooner rather than later. Common tax documents you might have are a W-2 from your employer, possibly a Form K-1 or a 1099 of sorts. You may also have a mortgage interest statement if you own a home, and also retirement plan statements and evidence of charitable contributions. These are just a few of the common tax documents you may have. Everyone's situation is different, so be sure to track down the documents that you are going to need to file your taxes. Now, if you work with a tax professional, reach out to them early to schedule time to meet with them. This way you can ensure that you can get your taxes done by the deadline. Our next step in the checklist is financial inventory. Tax season is a great time to take financial inventory, whether you do this while preparing your taxes or after you file them. A financial inventory consists of reviewing all of your assets. So this would be bank accounts, investment accounts, retirement accounts, the value of your home, and anything else that you have as an asset that has value. You're also going to want to review your liabilities. So this would include credit cards, student loans, car loans, mortgages, and any other type of debt that you have. After the review, identify what sticks out to you. Do you notice, have there been any big changes since the last year? Did you take on more debt than expected? Did your assets increase, or perhaps did they decline? And are there any areas you would like to make improvements? This brings us to our final step. Make a plan for 2024. When your inventory is done, it's time for you to take action. First, forecast your income. Will there be any changes to your income in 2024? Do you need a plan for an increase or perhaps a potential decrease? Next, review your budget. Do you need to adjust your spending, or do you need to increase your saving, or perhaps a combination of both? And then finally, track your progress. Stay engaged with your finances throughout the year. Check in periodically and see how you are doing. Don't wait until tax time every year to take a look at your finances. And remember, tax season is a great time to get your finances in order for the upcoming year. Most personal finance goals are achieved over a relatively long period of time. So stay consistent and keep up the good work. For more personal finance content, be sure to check out our website and YouTube channel. This video is intended for general education purposes only. It is not intended to provide advice specific to your financial situation. Cetera representatives are unable to provide tax advice. Please contact a qualified tax professional to receive tax advice and guidance.